Carriage, I got my own carriage. Carriage, I got my own carriage. I got my own carriage. Carriage. We're leaving Chadwell Manger now. On our way. Passing the 66. Here's the class 66. And we're changing track. We're on our way. There's the other track. Comes the train to connect onto the front part, and he's going to connect onto that bit there. He's got to change tracks yet. Tracks changed. Here he comes.
He must be on that.
It's going to connect on now. Oh, we're going the right way. It's connected and we're ready to roll. The guard has got to blow a whistle. The train we're going to hoot. And we're off. Need a train chuff. Oh. Mainline railway station over there. Boundary Junction. Here's our routes we need to take. And we stop to change. There we go, doing the turntable. So it's going round. Steam train's going to connect. It's going to come past. We're now at Chadwell Halt now, waiting for the train to leave the other way to go far end. And now in reverse. Now for the train whistle. And we're off. Goodbye Chadwell Halt. Tracks in a minute. Oh, we're changing tracks. Past Boundary Junction again.
worth it, is it?
Here comes the 66. That's what we was waiting for. The freights has gone past.
Very friendly people.
And we're off.
Sometimes they run sleep, sometimes they run just a shuttle or one of the diesels. Luck of the draw, who turns up, I think, to drive.
Oh, nice tree. I don't know. I did one of my mum once. There comes the train. We're off. Train's on its way in. Run away back to the main station. End of the line. End of the line. End of the line. Oh, we've got to stay seated. We've got to stay seated. Chedwell Major. We're back. Arrived. We're waiting for it to board so we can get off. And it's the end of the journey.